Welcome to Learn English Daily.
Daily learn some English sentences.
I'm cutting vegetables. I'm watering plants. I'm feeding birds. I'm folding clothes. I'm making tea. I'm packing lunch. I'm opening the door. I'm closing the window. I'm sweeping the house. I'm watching Sky. I'm shaking hands. I'm peeling a banana. I'm arranging books. I'm drawing a heart. I'm tying my shoelaces. I'm sewing. I'm calling my friend. I'm carrying the bag. I'm listening to music.